Today I'm going to be going over connecting to Wi-Fi, types of connection, and its dangers. So first, what is Wi-Fi? Well, all homes have a telephone line. Wired into that connection is the availability to access the internet. Wi-Fi is a box that connects to your phone line and transmits the signal wirelessly through your home. To connect to Wi-Fi, click on the icon down here in the bottom right. This will bring up a list of all of the Wi-Fi networks in your area. If you are connecting to a home network, then the name of the network and password will be on the back of the router box that you have in your home. Once you have found the network you want to connect to, click on it, press connect and put in the password. So by clicking on this one here, it should come up and ask to put in the security key. I'll just press next and then it will connect me. If you are in a public place, you may come across a public network that doesn't need a password to use. It is recommended that you never use these, as the lack of security means people can use the network with malicious intent, such as hackers, and they could steal your data. This can be averted if you use a VPN or have paid for antivirus software that covers it. However, I still would never recommend using a network with no password on. If you go into somewhere like Starbucks, they may have a password that you can put in, making it a bit more secure. Another thing to mention is you have two types of connection that can come into your home. ADSL, also known as copper wire connection, or fiber optic, which is known as superfast. Most homes now have access to superfast, so if you haven't changed provider for a while, it may be worth checking if you can get superfast. Nowadays, it is around the same price and boasts speeds on your internet connection between 5 and 10 times faster. Lastly, if you're having connection issues with your Wi-Fi, it is worth checking the handbook that came with it to see problems. However, most people don't have this. An alternative is to either hit the reset button on your box if you can find it, or unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in, turn it back on, and it will reset the box. I hope this short video has been useful for you today, and if you have any more ideas on content I should be covering, pop over a message and I should be able to help.